Welcome back to Autocar, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Cadillac Lyriq, an all-electric luxury SUV that's redefining the segment. From its stunning exterior design to its cutting-edge interior, we'll explore what makes this EV a true statement of modern elegance and innovation. The first thing you notice about the Lyriq is its futuristic yet unmistakably Cadillac design. Up front, it features an illuminated black crystal grille with an intricate LED light pattern that creates a dramatic welcome sequence. The ultra-thin LED headlights blend seamlessly into the sculpted body, giving the SUV a sleek and aggressive stance. Moving to the side, the Lyriq boasts a coupe-like silhouette, a design choice that enhances aerodynamics while maintaining a bold presence on the road. Flush door handles add to the streamlined appearance, while the massive 22-inch wheels provide an authoritative stance. Cadillac has ensured that every line and surface flows naturally, making this SUV both elegant and athletic. At the rear, the Lyriq features an eye-catching split taillight design, extending from the roofline down to the bumper. The sharply angled glass and integrated roof spoiler not only enhance aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics, ensuring a balance of style and efficiency. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that exudes sophistication and technology. The first thing you'll notice is the massive 33-inch curved LED display, seamlessly integrating the driver's instrument cluster and infotainment system. This high-resolution screen delivers stunning graphics and a highly intuitive interface. The Lyriq's interior is crafted with premium materials, featuring open-pore wood, laser-etched patterns, and soft leather upholstery. The ambient lighting system allows for a customizable experience with 26 color options, setting the perfect mood for any drive. The absence of traditional buttons gives the cabin a minimalist and futuristic appeal, enhancing the feeling of space and modernity. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the Lyriq is powered by GM's Ultium battery technology. The standard rear-wheel drive model delivers 340 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, while the all-wheel drive version increases the output for more dynamic performance. With an estimated range of over 300 miles on a full charge, the Lyriq ensures long-distance travel without frequent stops. Cadillac has engineered this SUV for a quiet and smooth ride, thanks to an advanced suspension system and active noise cancellation technology. The result is a serene driving experience, making every journey feel effortless and luxurious. The Lyriq represents Cadillac's bold step into the future, staying true to its heritage of luxury while embracing cutting-edge electrification. Cadillac has long been a pioneer in innovation, and the Lyriq continues this legacy by blending traditional craftsmanship with state-of-the-art technology. The 2025 Lyriq is packed with advanced features, including a 19-speaker AKG studio audio system, providing an immersive sound experience. The augmented reality head-up display projects vital information directly onto the windshield, enhancing safety and convenience. For driver assistance, the Lyriq comes with Cadillac's Super Cruise, a hands-free driving technology that allows for autonomous highway travel. Other safety features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, making the Lyriq one of the safest luxury SUVs on the market. The 2025 Cadillac Lyriq starts at around $58,000 for the base model, with higher trims and options pushing the price beyond $70,000, given its luxurious design, cutting-edge technology, and electric performance. The Lyriq presents a compelling choice in the premium EV market. So, is the 2025 Cadillac Lyriq the future of luxury SUVs? With its stunning design, innovative technology, and zero-emission powertrain, it certainly makes a strong case. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocar for more in-depth automotive reviews.